Hello students, welcome to Studify Success. I am Utsav and this is lecture 3 of polynomials. So we will start with classification of polynomials today on the base. So we will classify polynomials on the basis of degree. So if a polynomial is of degree 1 then it is said linear polynomial. अगर कोई polynomial है जिसकी degree that is highest power of variable is 1 then it is said linear polynomial. For example, y plus 2. Here variable is y and its highest power is 2. Sorry, its highest power is 1, so it is linear. Second is quadratic polynomial. So a polynomial is of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Example is y square plus x square plus x minus 2. Here variable is y and its highest power is 2, so it is quadratic polynomial. Similarly, x square plus x minus 2, variable is x and its highest power, which is also called degree, is 2, so it is a quadratic polynomial. Third is a polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. So here its examples. So 3x cubed plus 6x plus 9. In this polynomial, degree is 3, so it is cubic polynomial. Similarly, y cubed plus 2y plus 2. Here, highest power of y is 3, so it is cubic polynomial. Next is a polynomial of degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. Example x की power 4, m की power 4 minus 4, z की power 4 minus 9. So now I will discuss some questions related to the concept I told you, right? So first question is classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. So जो गिवन पॉलिनोमियल से हमें बताने कौन से क्वाड्रेटिक है, क्यूबिक है, लीनियर है या फिर बाई क्वाड्रेटिक है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स. सो हियर आवर वेरिएबल इज एक्स एंड एक्स की दो पावर्स है यहाँ पे, एक 1 है एक 2 है. सो 2 इज हायर पावर, सो इट विल बी डिग्री 2. So this implies this polynomial is quadratic polynomial. Second is x minus x cube. So variable is x and x की जो दो powers है वो है 1 and 3. So since 3 is greater than 1, so it is of degree 3 and it is cubic polynomial. Next is y plus y square plus 4. Here y is variable and highest power of y which is present in this polynomial is 2. So this is a quadratic polynomial. 1 plus x. So here variable is x and highest power of x is 1 here, so it is a linear polynomial. Next is 3t. So t is variable and whose highest power is 1, so this is a linear polynomial. Next is r square. Highest power of r is 2, so it is a quadratic polynomial. 7x cube. Here highest power of x is 3, hence it is a cubic polynomial. Next, this is a topic where we want to calculate value of a polynomial. So value of a polynomial का मतलब होता है हमें कोई भी जो polynomial given होता है उसकी हमें value निकालनी होती है जो कि किसी भी specific point पर निकालना होता है. For example, we have to find the value of a polynomial fx equals to x square plus x plus 1 at x equals to 1. तो वैल्यू ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल जो होती है वेरिएबल के किसी स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट पे निकालनी होती है. सो हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल एट x इक्वल्स टू 1. सो वी विल substitute a value of x in this polynomial. So f1 will be 1 square plus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So f of 1 is 3. So here you can see the value of this polynomial x square plus x plus 1 at x equals to 1 is 3. Next question is we have to find the value of a polynomial. So at here fx equals to 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2, and we have to find the value of this polynomial at x equals to 2. So what we will do is we will substitute 2 in the place of x in this fx. So f of 2 will be 5 into 2 raised to power 3 minus 2 into 2 square plus 3 plus 3 into 2 minus 2. So 2 cube equals to 8. So 5 into 8. 2 square is 4. So 2 into 4 plus 6 minus 2. So it will give me 40 minus 8 plus 6 minus 2, which is equals to 46 minus 10, which is equals to 36. The value of the given polynomial at x equals to 2 is 36. So next question is, we have to find the value of a polynomial px equals to 5x cube minus 3x plus 7. So what we have to find the value of px at x equals to 1. So we will substitute x in place of, we will put x equals to 1 in the given polynomial. So this will be 5 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 plus 7, which will give me 5 minus 3 plus 7, which is equals to 9. The value of the given polynomial at x equals to 1 is 9. Now, next question is, so this is a concept where we have to find zeros of a polynomial. So zero of a polynomial is the value of x that makes the polynomial equals to 0. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि जो भी हमें कोई पॉलिनोमियल गिवन होता है उसमें जो वेरिएबल होता है उसमें हम ऐसी उस वेरिएबल की क्या ऐसी वैल्यू को सब्स्टिट्यूट करें कि जो एफ एक्स हो उसकी वैल्यू 0 आ जाए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर एफ एक्स इक्वल्स टू एक्स माइनस 2. तो इसका जीरो ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल मतलब है कि एक्स में हम ऐसी वैल्यू डालेंगे ताकि एफ एक्स की ओवरऑल वैल्यू 0 आ जाए. सो अगर जीरो ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल निकालें तो उसके लिए फर्स्ट स्टेप होता है we have to put fx equals to 0. So x minus 2 equals to 0. So this implies x equals to 2. So this means x equals to 2 is the 0 of the polynomial fx. And next question is, we have to check whether 2 and minus 2 are zeros of the polynomial fx equals to x plus 2. The first step is we have to put fx जो है वहाँ पे x equals to 2. So this will give me f2 equals to 2 plus 2, which is 4. So 4 is not equals to 0, right? अगर f2 की वैल्यू 0 आती है तो 2 will be 0 of a polynomial. लेकिन यहाँ पे f2 की वैल्यू 4 आ रही है, hence 2 is not a 0 of the polynomial x plus 2. If we put x equals to minus 2, then f minus 2 will be minus 2 plus 2, which is f minus 2 equals to 0. So this implies minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial x plus 2. So we are supposed to check whether 2 and minus 2 are 0 of the polynomials. So 2 is not a 0 of this polynomial x plus 2, but minus 2 is a 0 of the given polynomial. Next question is, check whether 0 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x. So जब भी हमें चेक करना होता है कि कोई भी given value किसी पॉलिनोमियल का 0 है या नहीं, तो we will substitute the values directly in place of x. और अगर वो 0 आते हैं तो वो 0 of polynomial होगा, और नहीं होता है 0 तो that means that value is not a 0 of a given polynomial. So when we put 0 here, so p of 0 equals to 0 square minus 2 into 0. So overall p of 0 is 0. So this implies 0 is the 0 of the polynomial x square minus 2x. Now we will calculate p of 2, right? So p of 2 is 2 square minus 2 into 2, which is 4 minus 4 equals to 0. This implies 2 is also 0 of the polynomial x square minus 2x. So here 0 and 2 both are 0 of the given polynomial x square minus 2x. Next question is, find the 0 of the polynomial where px equals to x plus 5. So first step is put x plus 5 equals to 0. So this will give me x equals to minus 5. This implies minus 5 is the 0 of the polynomial x plus 5. So our next question is, find the 0 of the polynomial. Here px equals to 2x plus 5. So our step 1 is we have to put px equals to 0. That is 2x plus 5 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 5 by 2. So this implies x equals to minus 5 by 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial 2x plus 5. We can verify this question as well. Like अगर मैं x की जगह पे -5/2 पुट करती हूँ तो यहाँ पे जो 2 है इस वाले 2 को कैंसिल कर देगा and it will be -5 only here and here +5, so it will be overall make it 0. Next is find the 0 of the polynomial where px equals to 3x. So put px equals to 0, that is 3x equals to 0. तो 3x 0 तभी होगा जब x जो होगा वो खुद 0 होगा. So this implies 0 is the 0 of this polynomial 3x. Next question is find the 0 of the polynomial px equals to cx plus d where c and d both are real numbers. So first step is put cx plus d equals to 0. So cx plus d equals to 0 implies x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी minus d by c. So this implies x equals to minus d by c. So minus d by c is the 0 of the polynomial cx plus d. So students, I will recall you about today's class. Firstly, we have done about classification of polynomials. That is, अगर कोई polynomial है उसकी डिग्री 1 है तो that will be linear polynomial. अगर कोई polynomial है जिसकी डिग्री 2 है तो that will be quadratic polynomial. एंड अगर कोई polynomial है जिसकी डिग्री 3 है तो वो cubic polynomial होगा. एंड लास्टली अगर polynomial ऑफ डिग्री 4 है तो biquadratic polynomial होगा. नेक्स्ट हमने वैल्यू ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल की बात की कि वैल्यू ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल का मतलब होता है जो एफएक्स जो होते हैं वहाँ पे एक्स की वैल्यूज को हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं और जो वैल्यू आती है वो उसकी वैल्यू ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल होती है. Basically, value of a polynomial means we are calculating the value of the fx at a specific specified point of x. Now उसके बाद हमने किया था 0 of a polynomial. 0 of a polynomial is a value of x that makes a polynomial equals to 0. तो अगर कोई fx है उसमें हम x की ऐसी क्या वैल्यू डाले कि fx की वैल्यू 0 आ जाए तो वो होता है उसका 0 of the polynomial. तो whenever 0 of a polynomial कैलकुलेट करना होता है तो फर्स्ट स्टेप होता है कि fx को 0 करते हैं पुट करते हैं देन x की जो वैल्यू आती है वो होता है आपका 0 of the polynomial. So student, this is all about today's class. I hope you find this class useful. And if you want to download the notes of this session, you can download the notes from the link which is provided in the description box. And also you can download our app STUDIFYSUCCESS to download all the study material of this lecture. Thank you.